Looking to boost your immunity, reduce inflammation and detox your body naturally? Well, you found the perfect herbal tea. This powerful tea blends 9 ingredients, each with incredible health benefits, into one soothing, healing cup. You'll need 1 teaspoon of Kalonji seeds, 5 to 7 fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of green tea or a tea bag, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, juice of half to 1 lemon, a pinch of black pepper and, well, 1 teaspoon of honey, which is optional. Start by pouring 2 glasses of water into a saucepan. Now add in the Kalonji seeds, mint leaves, grated ginger, turmeric and cinnamon. Bring it to a gentle boil. Let it simmer until the water reduces to about 2/3 of its original amount. This really concentrates all the nutrients. Turn off the heat and add your green tea. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes and, cover it with a lid. Strain the tea into your cup. Add fresh lemon juice, a pinch of black pepper and honey if you like it sweet. And there you have it. A cup of healing, warmth and balance. Let's break down the magic behind each ingredient. Kalonji seeds, are rich in thymoquinone. These tiny seeds help fight inflammation, protect your cells and, well, they give your immunity a real boost. Mint is wonderful, really. It soothes your digestive system and helps clear those respiratory pathways, making you feel refreshed. Ginger, yes, it's a powerhouse. It reduces nausea, eases digestion, and even improves your circulation. Green tea, is packed with antioxidants that support both heart and brain health. Turmeric is honestly one of nature's strongest anti-inflammatory agents. Cinnamon, well, it balances blood sugar, supports the gut, and even fights bacteria. Lemon detoxifies, alkalizes the body, and, well, delivers a punch of vitamin C. Black pepper enhances absorption of nutrients, especially turmeric, Honey adds sweetness, soothes your throat, and honestly strengthens immunity. Together, they create a tea that's more than a drink. It's functional medicine in a cup. The overall benefits? Well, it boosts your immune system, eases digestion and relieves bloating, supports natural detox and liver function, reduces inflammation and joint pain, promotes fat burning and balances metabolism, helps your body fight off cold and flu symptoms, and brings mental clarity and calm naturally. Drink it in the morning for energy, or mid-afternoon for clarity and calm. Skip it at night if you're sensitive to caffeine. Your health is in your hands and your cup. Like, share and subscribe for more natural wellness recipes. Stay healthy, stay grounded.